Control Shift left bracket. Oh yeah, it's gonna look so good. We are going to make the solar eclipse shirt for Texas, April 2024 and October 2023. So let's get started. I also want to make them in glow in the dark because I think that'd be really cool. I've got my Texas and my font in Rainwood regular. I'm going to Control Shift O to outline. Then I'm going to go to Object, Path, Offset. And I've got it pre-offset right there. I'm going to come in and remove the thinner font because that's going to be my vinyl. Control X, Control V, Control Shift G to cut, paste, and group. Now come back down here. My Texas is a singular path. I need to go to Object, Path, Outline Stroke. And then I'm going to Control Shift left bracket to send it to the back. Grab both of those and I think exclude. Yeah. So now I'm going to go through and I'm going to remove all of these pieces I don't need. Because I'm going to bring my Texas back and now there's space for my letters, but there's still a Texas there. So this right here is the path of the eclipse. Let me grab a different color. One of them's coming this way and one of them's coming this way. And so I grew up like in the hill country right here. So I figured it'd be cool to have that X in there. The question is where I have this little doodle. Where do I want to put that? Do I want to include that at all? Also, do I want to include the dates? I was thinking that. Got a bunch of ideas over here. Arctic looks kind of nice. So let's blow this up a little bit. I thought about doing it in the middle, but that would just be weird because you're reading Texas and there's this weird circle. Then I thought about it would be cool to have up here because it's like it's coming down this path. So that could work. What if we made it bigger? Sent it to the back. Obviously I'll fix that a little bit. This one heat transfer orange and the other one's in blue. P.S. Always copy your font up here before you outline it so that way in case you need to fix it you can go back and recopy it and start over. Same with my original Texas before I outlined it, just to have it back up. You never know what's going to happen later on down the design process. So here I'm thinking blue. I'm thinking this orange. Obviously that's going to be a little bit different once it glows. My Texas can probably be in blue and this one can probably be in orange because then those will mesh really well together. Put it on a black shirt with that. Control Shift left bracket. Oh yeah, it's gonna look so good. Now just imagine it glowing. So let's fix the sun. I'm going to fix the dates and then we'll be done. It's a super quick design. I think I like the rays. Oh yeah, like that. Let's make it slightly bigger so we can kind of fill in the handle there. And what's going to happen is this is going to be cut on my silhouette. I'm not going to print on demand them. I'm going to hand make them because I enjoy doing that. In order for that to work, I need the sun and the Texas to become one piece. So you're going to go over to the Pathfinder and then hit Unite. So now the sun and that are one piece. So I need to ungroup and turn this back to my blue. So now my Texas, I can regroup these. Go over here to the stroke. we actually need to add a stroke. Let's just do a point. We're going to round everything. Actually, I think what I'm going to do is just start over. Brush tool. No stroke. Let's see, 5-point round. Right, so I'm just using my left and right bracket to decrease and increase. I don't want that. Switch this up here. There we go. Yeah, I like the rounded strokes better. It needs some work. R to rotate slightly. Bring this one in. Bring this one down. Rotate slightly. Rotate slightly. R to rotate. These almost remind me of Cheetos. I feel like this one needs to be object, path, outline. Then I can add another stroke. Change my color to the color that I want. What the heck? I'll just do it this way. Copy text code. Now, uniform. Oh yeah. See how that made it kind of wavy? Then what you can do is you can select on all the other ones, click Eyedropper, and it's going to copy it. And then go in here and hit Shift S. Just kind of clean up these letters because that was the font. I want it to be a little bit cleaner. What that does is just takes all those paths and kind of averages them out. It's a really cool tool. Double layer my X? I kind of think I do. Now it looks so much better. I like that. Okay, we're going to merge that as one. So that means I'll have all that orange piece cut out as one piece, which is super helpful. It's still not outlined very well. There it goes. What I mean by that is, see how you can see this like inner path here? I go ahead and outline it to the very outside stroke and then combine it so now it's all one big flat piece. Okay. So in order to make this easier to cut on my silhouette, and since I'm already here, I'm going to go ahead and I need another copy of that X. Control C, Shift V, Object, Path, Offset. But I don't want it as big. There we go. So now when I go place my vinyl, it's so much easier to have a little bit of leeway. All right, I think that's it. What do you guys think? Thanks for watching.